With this exercise, partner, I feed my partner, so my feet is just touching his base. Now, the exercise we just did, he feels me touching his base and he empties the line and he takes my balance. And depending on his body mechanics is what direction my balance goes, or depending on whether he floats me and I fall one direction or other, he adjusts his mechanics. So he can lead me or he can follow me. I can go either way. So now I choose a part of the body. So I might just touch base on this side, and that'll mean he releases that side and my balance will get pulled that way. And then I'll push on the other side and I'll pull him a little bit forward and it drops the knees. And I'll push a little bit back and in, and as he releases, it pulls me through. So I change the way I touch his base and choose a different pathway, left or right or front or back. And then as he's releasing his body, he chooses, does he just let my balance fall in the direction that it wants to as he floats me, or does he lead me somewhere? So he can float me and follow, or he can float me and lead in accordance with how he's releasing his body. So it becomes very, very free form. If you want to take a person a certain direction, as you float them, you lead them so you can send them in that direction. And the more non-intentional it is, the more it's the reflection of their touch. If they touch this side, then I just empty that side out. If they touch that side, I empty the other side out. I release and follow to make it a pure model. If you're leading them, you're using intention to lead them, and that's a handle they've got on you if they're really good. So you can choose which way you want to train the exercise. Okay, partner up, have a play.